everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So in this video we are going to discuss about Right to Information Act 2005. It was enacted by Parliament of India on 15th June 2005, commenced on 12th October 2005. Territorially extend to whole of India, also Jammu and Kashmir since after 5th August 2019 after Article 370 revoked. So, right to information is the act of Parliament of India to provide for settling out the practitioner regime of the right to information of the citizens and replace the provisions Freedom of Information Act 2002. Under the provisions of the Act, any citizen of India may request information from a public authority, a body of government or institutionality of state, which is required to reply immediately or within 30 days. The act also requires every public authorities to computerize their record discrimination and proactively certain categories of information so that the citizen need a minimum records of request for information formalities. So now coming on the objective of the RTI Act provides a legal framework of citizens' democratic right to access the information under the control of public authority to promote transparency and accountability of the functioning of every public authority. So, who is a public authority? The public authority means any authority or body or institution established by or conditioned as by or under the Constitution, by any other laws made by Parliament, by any law made by state legislature, or by notification issued in order made by the appropriate government, and includes any first body order controlled or substantially financed, and second non-government organizations substantially financed directly or indirectly by fund provided by the appropriate government. So now the question is, what does information means? Any material in any form includes record, documents, memos, opinion and advices, press release, contracts, circulars, order or logbooks, data, a material held by the electronic forms, and information related to any private bodies which can be accessed by public authority is known as an information. So, what is the need of a RTI Act? So, it is needed because it helps to promote openness, transparency, and accountability in the working of public authority, reduce corruption, uh, provide administration are make the citizen part of decision making, made administration responsibility, and strengthen the foundation of the democracy. So RTI Act came on effect on 12th October 2005, governs central, state, and local governments and all the bodies owned, controlled, or established, financed by the respective governments under Section 2H. Non-government organizations substantially financed directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government under Section 2 Clause E. Judiciary, legislative, and executive includes information related to private bodies which can be accessed by under any other laws from the time being forced under Section 2 Clause F. So there are certain exceptions for disclosing of information, that are cabinet papers, information received from foreign governments, trade secrets, intellectual property, life and physical safety of a person, sovereignty and integrity of India, provided by court. So now let's see the procedure of requesting information. It should be applied in writing or through electronic means in Hindi or English or in the official language of the area to the Public Information Officer PIO, especially the specifying the particulars of information shouted for. Reasons for giving information are not required. Pay fee as may be prescribed. So now fees and charges. Application fee is of rupees 10. If information is required in electronic media, like floppy, CD, etc., additional charges may be applicable. Photocopy charges 2 rupees per page. No fee for first hour in inspection. Inspection charges for relative files, document and record. Rupees 5 for every subsequent hours or fraction therefore. Proceeding expenses inquiry processing expenses incurred by public information officer to be intimated in written. It should be noted that there is no fee for the people who are below poverty line, free of cost, or if the PIO fails to complete within the time limit of prescribed under the RTI Act. So, time limits to be given information: 30 days if applicant is filed with the PIO, 35 days in case it is filed with the assistant PIO, and 48 hours in the case matter to which the information affects the life and liberty of an individual. So, I hope you find the video informative. So, please like, share, and subscribe.